Okay, this is a PCV, so positive crankcase ventilation assembly that came off from a 2004 Forester XT Turbo. Now this is the assembly here. Now this part of the hose connects to the top side of the engine block. So this is an used part, same as this one, used part as well. Now when you look at this part of the hose here, where that goes to the block, supposed to be really soft on this hose. Now if I squeeze really hard on it, it's turned rock hard already. Now this one here, same part number, exactly the same part number. You can see the bottom, it's all into pieces already. Now this is a brand new part right here, so you can see that same shape, right? Brand new OEM Subaru part. Now the hose, nice and soft. So if it turns out like that, or if it breaks off like that, then you have a vacuum leak, which is not good for turbo cars.